Lots of projects going on in here this weekend. I was working on my 1961 Volkswagen Dune buggy.
Dad,
got it all apart.
Dad, there's that rusty one what you're trying to use.
Changed a bunch of things, fixed a bunch of things. We're doing mushroom logs, so you gotta take these logs and drill holes in them and put mushroom spores in them. And Mom waxed all the ends last night.
The wax is right here.
So those can start to get done. Just set a couple gopher traps. And now Bowden wants to.
Plow the driveway.
We got to disc up the driveway. We got all these holes out here.
Well, disc up the driveway. Here's my taste I ate.
So Bowden, we'll hook this up. I don't really remember exactly how we did it.
Yeah, me either. I don't know how we did it.
But we got this big disc.
What hooks up?
Let's not go through probably that tunnel, huh?
Why?
Because it's probably not going to work. You remember how we did this?
Yeah. Was it hit the wheels? What's in it? I don't know how we did it.
Kind of rainy and wet out here, isn't it?
Yeah, we did it last year.
I know.
We did this last year, right, Dad?
I'll figure it out. You know why?
Why?
Because that's just how we do things.
You figure out how you do it.
You figure it out. Now I just got to find a place to connect it to.
And the one machine did hook it up to the other one.
You remember how we did that?
Yeah, so do what we did, Dad. We hooked it up on the other side, then we hooked those two bungee cords up to my seat, and it worked.
We hooked them up to your seat?
Yeah, and it really worked.
Okay. Can you scoot over a little bit? Do you need a coat on or what?
Yeah?
It's pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know grab one. I got one.
Okay, go grab one.
The door's locked.
Door's locked.
I want out here. Okay.
Going through the garage, dude. We'll put a couple bungees on, just in case. This isn't typically how this works, but Bowden enjoys it. Okay, that might work. Whew, it's raining out. Need help, dude?
Yeah, Dad, so I just, can you zip this?
Yep.
They are scratching me. And one ate my hair.
What, a
I'm trying
chicken?
to- A chicken pecked out my hair. So Dad, that's what I did. I did 10 plus 9 plus 1, and that equals 20.
Yep. Okay, Bodie, let's go disc.
Did you get it?
Should be good. If it falls off, we'll have to adjust it.
Yeah, adjust it.
Brinley, are you coming or what are you doing? Okay, go ahead, bud. See if she'll pull it. Oh yeah.
Hold it.
Yeah, you're doing good. Keep going. Go up and down the driveway. Be careful on the road. I'm gonna break it up a little bit and I'll come through with my four-wheeler. Make your turn, bud. Turn. Turn. You gotta make a turn. You're going, why are you going down that way? Turn back into the driveway. What do you mean how? You just turn around. Go ahead. You're gonna waste all your juice if you're going down the road. Okay, turn around. Bowden loves doing this. Good job, buddy. Why don't you do the rest of the driveway, bud? Why don't you go up and down the driveway a couple more times? What happened? She out of juice? Oh, you're good. It's starting to rain. Huh. I'll check it out. Okay, see you guys. It's starting to rain.